Hi students, let us learn about opposite numbers. You can see here the number line. Okay, on that number line there is 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. Now look, when the rabbit jumps 3 units to its right from 0, it reaches the number positive 3. Means this side when rabbit jumps, then he will reach to the number plus 3. And suppose the rabbit, it jumps 3 units to the left, then we are writing that 3 unit to the left means negative 3. Look, if it jumps right side, then that is positive 3, and if it jumps left side, then it is negative 3. When it jumps 3 units to its left from 0, it reaches the number negative 3. Both these distances from 0 are equal. If you will see both the distances, then they are equal. Only the directions of the two jumps are opposite to each other. You can see here this direction is right and this one left. So these directions are opposite directions to each other. Opposite to each other. In other words, plus 3 and minus 3 are opposite numbers, or you can say positive 3 and negative 3 are opposite numbers of each other. Okay. Now look, opposite numbers are at the same distance from 0 but in opposite direction. That's why their signs are also opposite. So we'll see the other numbers. Suppose the rabbit jumps 2 units to right, then it jumps plus 2. And if rabbit jumps 2 units to left, then it is minus 2. So here positive 2 and negative 2, these both are opposite numbers of each other. If you will add these two numbers plus 2 minus 2, then you will get the distance 0. Means the sum of two opposite numbers is 0. Keep in mind, sum of two opposite numbers. But which two opposite numbers? The number, it should be same, equal. Means plus 2 minus 2. Otherwise, minus 5 plus 5. These sum of two opposite numbers is 0. Keep in mind. Now I will read the information given in your book. That is, if the rabbit jumps 5 units to the left from 0, where does it reach? Left will be there. Then it will reach that rabbit. It will reach to negative 5. Okay. Now it jumps 5 units to the right from negative 5. Where does it reach? Look, from negative 5. 5 unit right side means plus 5. Now look here. Suppose the rabbit will be at this position and he jumps from negative 5 to right side 5 units. Then look, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So he will reach to, it will reach to 0. That's why the answer negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Suppose, here the given is 0, and then suppose the rabbit, it will jump from positive 4, okay, to its left, 4 units. Then where he will reach? Left, that's why we have to take minus 4 and we will find the answer. Now look, suppose the position of rabbit is on positive 4. So it will jump 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. Where do the rabbit reach? It reached on 0. So the sum of two opposite numbers is 0. Keep in mind. And if there will be positive number, then the opposite number of that positive number is always negative number, and negative number, then opposite of that negative number is always positive number. Now look here, they given practice set 6. Write the opposite number of each of the numbers given below. They given the numbers and you have to write the opposite number of that number. Now look here, first number is 47. 47 not contains any sign, means the sign of 47 is positive. So opposite number of 47, positive 47 is negative 47. Positive 52 is negative 52. Negative 33 is positive 33. Negative 84 is positive 84. Negative 21 is positive 21. Positive 16 is negative 16. Negative 26 is positive 26. Same way, positive 80 is negative 80. Like this way, you have to solve the examples from practice set 6 in your notebook. Now, we will see one more point, that is comparing integers. Okay, now you know that if we add 1 to any number on the number line, you get the next number on the right. Note that this is true for negative numbers too. Means we will see here, suppose here we will take these 4. Now if you know, if we add 1 to any number, now here plus 4, I will add plus 1 in that. So what will you get? Means plus 1 unit I will go to right. Then you will get the answer positive 5. Okay. Suppose I will take negative 1 and I want to add positive 1 there. Then what will be there? Negative 1 plus 1. Positive we are adding, that's why we have to go to the right side. So negative 1 right side 1 unit, then I will get here 0. So while going from right, the numbers will increase, and suppose we will go to the left, then the numbers will decrease. The number which is near to 0, if you are considering the left side of the number line, then the number which is near to 0 is greater than the other left side numbers. Keep in mind, the positive number is always greater than the negative number. Now we will see here, suppose I will take the numbers. Here I will take the numbers positive 5 and positive 7. Then which number is greater? Positive 7. So while going from right side, the numbers will increase. Okay. And left side, the numbers will decrease. Okay. So which number is nearby 0? That is greater if you are considering the left side. And which number is far from 0? Positive number, that is greater. Okay. Now we will see another numbers. Suppose I will take the number negative 1 and positive 3. Then which number is greater here? Okay, positive 3. Because positive number is greater than the negative number. Now one more example I will take. Negative 2 and negative 5. Now look here. Which number is nearby the 0? Negative 2 or negative 5? Negative 2. So here, which number is greater? Negative 2 is greater than negative 5. Okay. One more example I will take. Negative 1 and positive 1. Now tell me which number is greater and which is smaller. Positive 1 is always greater than negative 1. Okay. Now we'll see another example. There is negative 5 and 0. Which number is greater? Keep in mind, 0 is greater than negative 5. But 0 does not have any sign. Now, we'll take some more examples. Suppose I will take the number positive 7 and 0. Then tell me, which number is greater here? Positive 7 or 0? Positive 7, because while going from right side the numbers increases, and plus 7 is far from 0, it is the right side of the 0, so positive 7 is greater than 0. Suppose I will take the number negative 2 and positive 2. Then which number is greater here? Positive 2. Negative 3 and negative 3. Now tell me which number is greater and which is smaller. Here you can see that both the numbers are on equal distance from the 0. So they are equal. Okay. So on the number line, every number is greater than the number on its immediate left by 1. Okay. Now, by using this information, you have to solve practice set 7. And for more practice, you can take your minds numbers and solve it in your notebook. Okay. So, solve the practice sets in your notebook. Thank you. Bye.